Ready, go!
To our guests, the teaching force and staff of Burgos National High School, headed by our dynamic school principal for Dr. Manolito L. Peña, our proud dear parents, the graduating class of 2025, ladies and gentlemen, sa pasap ang ablaaw, nagasat, kinaragsak, na aldaw tayo aming apo. Ito'y personal data sheet nga intad kanya ti guest speaker tayo nga iso ti nang ipasarap dahil ito isa uwag tata kaya 5 pages. Iso nga anusan nyo ti abutan na may sa oras na mangyayang amor kaya na kakabsat. Ano ko rin mo it's a prank! Kaya ko lang nga i-repair na dahil sa speaker tayo tatak at highly profile katao. Natulay, hindi kinaador, ipalas na tiyag. Pang-international, tinuti na. Nung nabset kaya sa o, kaya napasyar ng santin pero alubong sa naon. Ato naging pagilyan nga nadanan. So, dawatin nga rarti, pananisagana yun, naging laplabayan yung upper dahil ito'y 5 pages nga pakasalitaan ko yung guest speaker tayo kaya pagbalinan lang na 5 minutes. Yan. Isa nga agalimag tayo, kaya tingnan tayo na laing dahil ito'y panangyang amor kenwana. Thank you. It is my pleasure and honor and privilege to introduce our guest speaker for today's moving up ceremony. She was born on January 31, 1984 in Paduros, Burgos, Ilocos Sur. She is the proud daughter of Marcelino Licano Antolin and Rosie Andres Almazan. Her impressive educational background is a testament to her academic excellence. She finished her elementary education at Padayaw Elementary School, where she graduated as salutatorian in 1997. She then proceeded to Burgos National High School, where she graduated with distinction in 2001. Her academic excellence continued at the University of Northern Philippines, where she earned her degree, Bachelor of Science in Social Work in 2005. She successfully passed the Licensure of Professional Board Examination for Social Worker in the same year, 2005. In her personal life, she is married to Municipal Engineer of Nueva Era, Ilocos Norte, to Sir Ruel. They are blessed with 2 children, Isaiah Janel and Jan Zenos. With an impressive background in volunteer social work at the local government unit of Burgos, Ilocos Sur, from 2005 to 2007, she has demonstrated her commitment in serving her community. So, nag-volunteer iso na ako in the 2 years in the LGU Burgos. Her extensive experience in various roles, including contractual area supervisor at the DSWD office, Region 1 from 2009 to 2010. So, nag-1 year man nga contractual in the DSWD Regional Office ACAS Area Supervisor. Nagtrabaho iso na ang Casual Administrative Aid 3 ni LGU Burgos Manipod 2011 to 2017. Noman pa yung casual laing nagan-anas timnan nga tawen ang kasmay sa ang casual. She is very dedicated to her work. Na permanent nga role iso na ang Social Welfare Officer 2 iili tayo ang Burgos from 2017 to 2021. So, pat na tawon nga nagserbi akas Permanent Social Welfare Officer 2. Kung mula unay nga dali pagsasao, nga no para kay ka, may sa banag, uray asino dagdag pa, ket ipaay ni Abo, ana magswaday na blessing. So, naglukat, karita, tigasan Kerwana, iti July 1, 2021, na promote isuna iti Permanent MSWDO o Burgos, Ilocos Sur. As may sa Municipal Social Welfare and Development Officer o Burgos, throughout her career, she has demonstrated a strong commitment na nagserbi kada diti umili, and her passion for social welfare and development is truly inspiring. As pagbigbig iti social welfare and development, she has equipped with various expertise. Di kinaadot training, seminars, and workshops na inatendaran na isun tinagbalin nga weapon na nagserbi dahil guest speaker tayo tata pinagmaymay sakon. Kag pinagbalinggon alima abanbanag. Dagito'y naging trainings and seminar workshops na inatendaran na umuna intervention in handling custody and foster care cases, providing critical support to vulnerable populations. May katwali positive discipline in everyday parenting, teaching, fostering healthy relationships, and promoting effective discipline techniques. May katlo, early childhood care and development information system, ensuring the well-being and development of young children. May pagpat, managing child sexual abuse and exploitation, providing critical support and resources to victims of abuse. May kalimangan maudi, the primary counseling, empowering couples with the tools and knowledge necessary for a healthy and fulfilling marriage. So, isundot ni Asika ni Mang Roslyn Gaeta ang marriage counseling na tuwan o damang ikasarkan niya. Jokes. Active pa iso na dagiti Peace Partnership Summit, workshop of child development workers and orientation on the domestic administrative adoption and alternative child care act, and nagtuwa pa nga saan ko nga naibog sila. So itagta, saan ko nga panyagal pati may agsaon, taamno ka magagalan tayon nga mangdengeg Kerwana, as she will share her insights and experiences with us, inspiring us to make a positive impact in our own communities. The guest speaker tayo data, at may sa kadagiti pagraraima na empleyado iti LGU Burgos, kapwen pinalain na, very approachable, can isulti kamang tikadwan in terms of violence and human rights. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to the Municipal Social Welfare and Development Officer of Burgos, Ilocos Sur, Awan Sabali, Mrs. Roslyn Antolin Atindido.
Amen.